scared, and we ain't finna can't get in here. We getting lit
In here.
I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young Boy, young Bear, young Doll, young Nick, young Years, young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Mill, young Chill. I say catch him with the pitching, learn from repetition. I got no ambitions, this is so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline.
In there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
With a Gucci bag.
This young T with a Gucci belt.
KD with a Gucci socks.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
Young Katembo. Welcome to another live stream. We're about to go crazy. Ain't y'all happy? Ain't y'all happy I'm here? Again with another great live stream. I love y'all guys. I love y'all so much. But you know what time it is, guys? It's the best trader in the world. Uganda Trades is online, and it's about to be a quiet and deadly hour. Quiet and deadly hour. Yes, I'm promising y'all a quiet and deadly-est hour. First of all, I don't have my glasses, but that don't matter. Let's get it. It's gonna be a action-packed live stream. Very, 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 very important to give me your ears and give me, bro. Can y'all believe we in week 17? I know we're supposed to be live streaming on Sundays, but it's Monday. I don't know, I just find time today, and I have more energy today, and I'm ready to give y'all all this loving on all this free game. But let's get it started. You know what time it is. Let's tell what time it is before we get cooking, bro. Can we get some love to my YouTube channel, bro? Can we see at least one subscriber? Can I get at least one subscriber? I need to drop more shorts. I ain't dropped the shorts in a minute. I ain't dropped no shorts in a minute. But you know what time it is, though. You know what time it is. I want y'all to go give some love. Show some love to my YouTube channel. Show some love, man. If you're on a vertical stream, man, you go hit that like button, man. Show me some love. But with that, though, let's get started. Let's get started.
What the hell? Oh my God.
So starting off this week, we're going to be going into the earnings hub. As you can see, slow Monday, not a lot happened, but tomorrow we have a lot. United Health dropping earnings. We got GE. I think it was GE. I think it's Procter & Gamble. GE. I don't know what they do. We got a lot of earnings. On the way. We got United Airlines dropping their earnings. We have Capital One dropping their earnings. What else? Wednesday, we have Boeing dropping, NTNT dropping, Vert dropping. Vert has been on a tear, bro. Vert has been on a tear. Vert's been on a tear for the past few months. As you can see, man, last month, bro. Yeah, Vert's been on a tear. This past week, last month, Vert's been on a tear. Sheesh. From the last 6 months, too. So, Vert's on a tear. Vert, I don't know what they do. Boeing's also doing some recovering. NTNT, just increasingly not growing. We got GEV. Okay, then Tesla dropping earnings Wednesday evening, so be on the lookout for that. IBM is dropping earnings. Who else is big out here? Who I want to look at? United Rentals is dropping earnings, man. United Rentals is dropping earnings. You know what? I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while. Let me see. For the past 6 months, United Rentals have not been, doing doing so great. Year to date, they're up a little bit, only 0.3%. But past year, they are up 40%. They're up 40%. So you know what? We're gonna do a deep dive analysis. Dang, I need like a water sound. I'm gonna do a cheering. We're doing a deep dive. But before we do deep dive on United Rentals, Airmax is also dropping their earnings on Thursday. And then we also got Intel. Intel's dropping earnings. Or Intel's been on a tear for the past year, as you can see. Man, just going crazy. Even year to date, they're up 80%, 78% to be exact. But that's crazy. Past 6 months, 70. Past week, they're up. They're down a little bit today, but they've been on a tear, man. I'm gonna buy you some Intel, man. Buy you some Intel. Oh my God! Woo! I'm gonna spare my ears, man, because that shit is loud. But hopefully, I can hear me well. Is my mic too low? Let me know. Intel dropping Thursday night. The S&P also dropping Thursday night. Let's see year to date. S&P is down 30%. So is this a time to invest and get into some S&P? I think it's a good time to get into S&P. NASDAQ Inc. is dropping earnings. But for the past 6 months, they've been kind of flat. NASDAQ Inc. Airmax is dropping earnings. Limited, I know this was big for war news and stuff, but they've been on a downturn since. And then Blackstone is dropping earnings. Blackstone is dropping earnings. And then on Friday, lastly, before the market opens, we have Procter & Gamble. I'm gonna drop that in there. We got Carter, and then we have HCA Holdings. It's a healthcare holdings. They dropped earnings. Been pretty flat. Only doing 8% the past 6 months. So with that's the earnings. Also, we have dividends dropping tomorrow for DG. This is Dollar General. Oracle dropping dividends on Friday, and IPO for X Energy. So if you look up here, let me move my screen a little bit so that people in the vertical can see. X Energy is a leading designer of advanced nuclear reactor technology, referred to as small molecular reactors, SMRs, and manufactured advanced nuclear fuels. So here's a share price, shared offered around 40 million of them. Offer amount, outstanding shares, market cap, that's $4 billion market cap. Revenue, don't know that. So X Energy is dropping their IPO. It's going to be starting. So if you want to get into an IPO play, buy you some XE. Oh, the food is busting. So I'm about to dive in. I'm about to do some dive in on United Rentals Inc. So I'm gonna pop my, not Google Doc, I'm gonna pop my should I pop my stock analysis. That was United Rental Inc. Let's look at the balance statement. So standard balance statement, as you can see, annually, over year, the net income pre-tax and net growth. 2025 full year, we're down a little bit, but cash flow has increased, was better, over 50% from we did in 2024. Let's do on a quarterly level. It did a bit on a quarterly. I was seeing growth on a quarterly basis. So net income has been decreasing. What about the revenue? Is revenue? Oh, the revenue is increasing, but the net income, what they get in return, has been decreasing every quarter. So they about to report Q1. They about to report their Q1, their cash flow. Then we have the dividends per share. So they also dropping dividends and dividends. Looks like we're seeing growth in their dividends. And then let's go into their balance sheet. So total assets, they're at a $30 billion this quarter. Then the total liability is $20 billion in liabilities. And then shareholders' equity is around $8 billion. Then they have total debt of $16 billion. Then net debt is $16.4 billion. Then let's see the cash flow. Cash flow, we're seeing operating cash flow is increasing. Investing cash flow is decreasing. Then we have our financing free cash flow here. And then let's go into ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. What does it think of the balance sheet? There we go. There we go, my keyboard. What? United Rentals Inc. balance sheet summary and overview. All right, let's see what ChatGPT thinks. Give us kind of overview and summary. The balance sheet, maybe. So, key takeaway. This is a capital heavy business. Assets are dominated by equipment and generates revenue. So liabilities, key takeaways, use a significant debt by manageable relative cash flow. Debt is strategic, used to finance equipment, fleet, and acquisitions. Then equity, shareholders' equity. Equity is growing but actively reduced by paybacks and boosting EPS. Liquidity positions, giveaway, fleet expansion, acquisitions, and shareholder returns. Overall, balance sheet, strong cash flow, moderate leverage, large productive asset base, high liquidity buffer, risk, asset revenue model, consider to construction cycles, high depreciation costs that could become an issue in the down run. Simple breakdown: assets, mostly rental equipment, liabilities, debt used to fund the equipment, equity boosted by profits, reduced by buybacks, health solid by cyclical. Okay, cool. Let's move on to, let's add United Rentals. Open that up. See, let's take this away. Go to the monthly, do a monthly overview. As you can see, monthly we are under what's it called? We are under my lips are cooked by these braces. We're under the estimated VMA. Technically on a downtrend, but this pregnant lady, pregnant candlestick on a weekly. On that weekly, see that we're back above this support level that we broke. That weekly, but price is still under the VMA and 200 MA. And then if we go on the daily, you'll see price just went back above this support level. Then the resistance here. You have the resistance, boom. So that's where price is at. It's within this channel. And do we think price is gonna break that channel?
Oh my God!
Food's just delicious. Sorry, I have to multitask. That's what I see. I priced my predictions. Price might test this, break through it, or it might test this and fail and then continue downward. But we are price participators, we're not predictors. We just see what price does and we just act accordingly. But with that, I'm gonna say with that, I'm gonna clear my. Actually, I'm gonna do a little quick review, overview of what happened last week, in the stock market. So let's pop the week. So this past week, is what happened. There was major news. I think regarding the ceasefire. That's what occurred, and we seen Meta jump to test, to break the resistance. Now it's retesting the resistance, right? Broke through it. Now it's retesting on the Monday. Same with Microsoft. Broke the resistance. This is going to retest and they continue to push old highs. Market is moving in synchrony. You see, price broke above this resistance, old support. Now, are we going to retest this support / resistance? Continue on with that. So Google broke it and said goodbye. See ya. And then I think last week I should just say that once Google goes above here, my push 350. Apple, man. I think, bro, I'm gonna tell you I was crazy. I think the week prior I was in a call. Apple, I think around here, did not hold. Apple rebounded, broke. It didn't give me another opportunity to get back in. But man, my focus. I need to do better managing my trading because I definitely was focused on the video instead of Apple. But Apple jumped 12 points since then. Amazon just after this ceasefire news, Amazon just jumped crazy. I'm in a video call. I know I said I won't trade in Nvidia, but man, this looks good to be true. This looks too good to be true. So I hopped in. So far we are almost to TP. Then let's go to our trading. Gold's not looking too great. Retesting this support. Add XA. D right here. With gold, we're just at this resistance level. Haven't it broken? We're just above it. Got contracts on gold. Just retesting this level. It could break above, could go below. Just being patient. I'm gonna give it some more space. But if gold boom, there it goes. There gold goes. Right, retesting this level. We bounce. Continue CMG. You're like, it's not a good sign. You see a major bear signal on. But I'm in the trade, but I move myself all the way up on it. Already talked about the video. SPY. No trades on SPY, man. I need to get into my day trading jit. Week trading jit. I need to get back into it, bro. The market has been moving a lot of volume. It's great. It's great news. Broke this support resistance. Pushed like 10 points above the resistance.
Oh my God!
Man, I'm so upset with myself. Got to get into MP. It was on one on my radar too. I had it on my radar, but didn't get into it. Look what happened, bro. Pushed 10 points in a week. It's going crazy. MP's going crazy. Need to get in. Also,
Oh my God!
missed USP. Man, I just got scared. Fear got to me. I got doubtful. But here's what. I can correct that mistake with the practice. Like, you can't make every trade. With that though, that's gone. We'll restart that. Let's restart the charts. Start the charts. Before we restart, we remark up the chart, refresh our minds, a new point of view, and look for new ideas. That's why we restart our charts. Waiting. Let's see. Start our charts. We are looking for new ideas, maybe opportunities to get out, maybe opportunity to stay. That's how I look at it. And then move drawings. But before we do that, let's go back to the Forex Factory calendar. Tomorrow we have core retail sales dropping. Mr. Donald Trump speaking early in the morning at 7 a.m. And then Fed chairman designated Boris testifies. I don't know who that is. Someone's testifying. Then we have pending home sales. Wednesday is going to be quiet. Thursday we have unemployment claims, flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI. And then Friday we have revised UOM customer sentiment. Shout out to Uro coconut water. Keep your mind fresh. All right, so we're gonna start with the Mag 7. Mag 7. Mag 7. Mag 7. Let's go to the monthly. What do we see?
Oh my God!
Look at that indication. Yep. Resurrection in Microsoft. Resurrection in Microsoft Steam. We have 3 straight weeks of green candlesticks.
Brother,
Just going crazy. I just sneezed all over myself. Sneezed all over myself.
brother,
Easy like that. Look at this clear part. I mean resistance. Resistance. We have a clear resistance here. Then we have support here. Where I can put it here too. Here. Yeah. This patient. Yeah. We gotta be patient. What happens with price? Price gonna push to 740 in this target if price continues above the resistance. And then let's go to Microsoft. Bill Gates, one of the richest men in the world. Look at that. Last month, making a turn. This is very bearish signal, big bearish signal. Shout out to 420. Out to the people smoking the weed. You have to quit. Put the weed down. Have to put it down, man. Mm-hmm. This massive resistance slash support. Broke it. Broke it on that resistance. You gotta look what price is at too. What price is at too is above the SMA and VWMA. Then we have our 200 SMA. Yeah, price is gonna push that. Might be our target. Target. The target is 440 and 466. Then if we go to our monthly for Tesla showing signs of bearish recovery with a massive week last week. Then we're going to daily. Tesla is back. This channel level right here. That was just there. Right here. Then as you can see, drop the indication there. So this is not completely out the mud, right? We got pushing, get above this resistance. Right now we are back in the channel. So save the trade. Go to Google. Find the Google. I don't know again. Google also showing major bearish signals. 3 straight weeks of bulls on the weekly for Google. Then we drop for 1 hour. We see any opportunities, or we back in this distance. I see some support here. Then just resistance. Right up here. Drop that. Support there. Baby indication. Here. Indication. Okay. Yep, that's how I see it. A trading. Moving on to who's just busting. You have Apple on the monthly, also showing bearish signal last month, March, but last 2 weeks, see, is strong bearish signals, weekly too, in continuation. Our next opportunity. I mean, that Loki kind of scared me. That I ain't gonna far it scared me. That's how I see Apple. Break the resistance. Gonna be popping. I come back to test this support. Then boom. Then with Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Out to the ball dudes. You ball, you making money. You ain't ball and not making money. Doing life backwards. Now we have Amazon. Also a strong bearish signal. Man. Weekly. Also strong bearish signal. But let's look for a new opportunity. Broke this resistance. Now this resistance becomes our support. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Resistance. Support. Price gonna retest this. New upward. Big indication. Now let's go on off. Another bearish, strong bearish signal here. Even on the weekly, 1 to 3 straight bearish, bullish weeks. Then going to daily. See, let's restart this. Price broke that, but me, I look at the price different. Now this you ask David, what are you doing? Yes, this is our new support. And we have here. And we're gonna see a price decides to test this or push 10 level where my target's at on target. That's the Mag 7 trading list. Gold. Gold really not showing best on the monthly, not best bullish signal. We have 1 to 3 straight weeks of bearish, bullish signals. But I'm looking at it. Okay. Short term. Have this resistance support here. You can even go in the 4-hour time frame too. You know, breakdown. Price in here. Gold. The gold signal name. Trading them different instruments. 1, 3 bearish weeks, bullish weeks. I'm saying bearish. That's a sign to come. This resistance here. Not a tight support here. Not the cleanest support either. Hour. CMG. This is Chipotle. Shout out to Chipotle. But we've been on this crazy, super. We're in a short trend. We've been on the downtrend. So I'm buying on the up, on a small time. Not even a bullish uptrend. I might definitely change my mind. Starting this CDG trade. Daily. started getting into MP. My ass got into CMG. Mexican Chipotle Grill. Really prices at. Support. Overall, not a great trade. Not a great trade. Let's look on a smaller time frame. Then I already spoke about in the video. I got SPY. Monthly. A lot of bearish signal. Large bearish signal. SPY. Weekly. 1, 2, 3. Powerful weeks. Daily. Man, this thing is gone. Boom. That's all I can do. Is go on a smaller time frame. If you can find anything. Smaller time frame. Let's see on a small time frame. Going another crazy bearish signal, bullish signal, bullish signal. Broke that resistance on a daily. Outside this 2020. You know, we got comfortable with the uncertainty. Not comfortable with it. Move on. And then go into us 30. Also merely making into the weekly 3 strong weeks, 2 weeks of strong buy power. Then we have this support, resistance. Definitely buys above this level. I don't know how. There. Girl. Kavana going crazy. Above the resistance level. Right. Alva with a nice recovery. Stop. Materials. Look at that. Strong bearish bullish signal on the week monthly. Gonna be our 3rd straight week. Full play. Now we're gonna see it. With that though, be back though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to go get some drink. I'm gonna go back test. I ain't back testing in a minute.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. throwing money in the airline. We jig it with a hammer, now we like
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnapped. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot, living in a pinnacle. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like
I come in with a ski mask, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, what don't get it, we ain't fit, I can't get in here, we getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere, the bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the
Not sponsored, not sponsored.
We
See,
jigging with a
because
hammer,
I'm not
now we
sponsored, it's
like
not gonna show.
We throwing money in the airline.
All right, get out of here, get out of here. Man, are y'all ready for a great back testing session? I'll be killing it during back testing. Ain't gonna lie to y'all, been smoking the back testing, yo. Smoking the back test. Who back tests better than me? Nobody. Yeah, you know what time it is. You on the 4th. All right, let's play some music for y'all. Ubers. Oh my God, no way, yeah. All right. Ain't gonna lie, it's been a challenging stock to backtest. That right here. Let's continue. Through saved. Yeah, ready. Ooh, that's my code with my beat. Boom. Not sponsored. Back testing live. Uganda Force. Ooh. Back testing. Nobody can back test like me. Pour. Oh man, I'm drinking something pour. All right. That'd be too loud. All right. What are you? Jesus Louise. I ain't got time for that. I see this madness. Straight up consolidation. Being patient. Not forcing nothing. Boom. On and out. Pop that jit. Pop that jit. I don't like that. Money is the one that's trying my plays out. I'm gonna adjust that. Let me adjust that. Just sell. Do. Alright. Yep. That's comfortable. Then I can add. Yeah, that's L. Yep. So winner I'm adding. Adding. Boom. Ah. Dang. Ooh. Back into this here. Scary. Let me play some music, some copyrighted music in my ears, for my ears only. All right, let's go. I still believe this is a sell though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. See underneath this shit. We got trade. Yeah. I'm my ass down. Hold on, wait a minute. So winner I'm adding 100%. Winner I'm adding. Holy moly.
Oh my God!
I saw that.
Oh my God! No way!
Yeah, fuck shit out there, girl. Tomorrow. Oh, probably burning my profits. Oh, I did double. Double in my box. Oh yeah, no. Mm. Kala. 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 Boom. Kala. Kala. Ito. Ah. The Tutsi. Bentinti Kala. Enyinti Kala. Sniped. Wow. Bum, 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 bum. This is the one I'm re-entering, adding if I'm winning. Ah, I'm getting cooked. Ah! God damn. Out of head. Say, Kayla. Yele. 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 Let's yele. Yele. Let's no. No. Okay. Damn, that was too fire. Song was on fire. Oh my god, I'm ripping ass. This my breakout. Don't go. Tiga. Nih. 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 Duele. Blow past to it.
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What on that? Bombo clad! Rich millionaire! Millionaire!
And then nigga. Yeah, nigga. Get back. Wow. Hey. Hey. Nice. Yes. Damn. Hey. I'm behind. It's my next big trade coming up. It's loading. It's loading, guys. It's loading. It's on the way. Fuck. Everybody don't make money. Whoa. Don't tell me I'm not the best trader in the world. Don't tell me I'm not the best trader in the world. Ah! Choo! Don't forget to join my Discord. Check out the Discord. Check out the Discord. Greed, fear, confidence. All right. Uganda trades. Uganda trades is out of here.